Hi, everyone. Thank you so much for joining our AI Agent Vlog by Microsoft Reactor. I'm your host, Anthony from Toronto, Canada. And our guest.
It's Easy from Argentina. Hello, everybody.
Hi. So, as some of our audience already know, we started to do this like a vlog because so many people talking about AI agent. I'm personally doing research on managing AI agent with researchers and also the founder myself. So I'm just kind of thought it would be fun to work with Microsoft on this. And we've been interviewing a lot of amazing founder. And now we have one more news. So let's get started with the warm-up question. So, Eddie, what's your favorite sci-fi movie?
My favorite movie is Star Wars, but if I have to pick one of the last few years, is an anime movie of solo leveling. That you have
Okay.
to be very entrenched on anime to really be into it, but it's really great.
Okay, I definitely want to check out that one. For me, I do love Star Wars, don't get me wrong, but my all-time favorite is still Terminator and Matrix. But
Yeah.
in the recent year, it's the Mitch and Machine. There's a cartoon anime as well, Mitch and Machine, talking about how AI actually things. But now the second question: do you play Minecraft?
No, I don't. I only
No,
play Magic the Gathering online all day long on weekends as well.
it's also like good learning, and let's get started, and we'll continue this again fun game conversation afterwards. So,
For sure.
first question: what change are you and your company are making with AI agent, and what makes you special?
My age, right? The first question.
Yes, what changes are you and your company making with AI agent?
Change. Sorry.
Yeah.
Yes. So what we're focusing is on a very specific problem like that large fashion retailers have. So a large fashion retailer have 2, 3, 5,000 different products, and putting the right love to each of the products, it's really a lot of work. So imagine just putting the right text, the right metadata, the right professional pictures of each of these thousands of products to this whole catalog. It's really a lot of pain for the human labor. So our AI agent accomplished that in just one click. You include that in your catalog, it generates automatically the metadata, the titles and descriptions. It changes the picture. So, for example, you have a picture of your t-shirt, and on your t-shirt, it creates an AI model wearing your t-shirt and makes the listing look wonderful.
Sound like I could use your AI agent for my daily life to solve a lot of those kind of things. So I'm sure it's not just for fashion retailer, it sounds like it can be everyone. So now the next question, I guess, is somewhat related. So we've been hearing human with AI will replace human without AI. So people who use AI will replace people who don't use AI, right? But what's your view on, let's say, when people all around you using AI, what do you think that will be looking like?
Well, the key thing here is data. So the people using AI will replace people not using AI, but people using AI with better data will replace people using AI with not so good data. So the key thing is data, and data in specific things for the things you want to achieve with your AI agent. So, for example, for us that were hard on fashion, we have huge data sets of fashion specific things for our clients, and that makes our agent unique, and that cannot be copycatted or replicated by anyone that doesn't have our own proprietary data. So I think the key here and the real replacement is people with good data will replace people with bad data.
I cannot agree with you more, as we also heard this like old phrase. It's like garbage in, garbage out. So if you don't have a good data, you want like a super AI cannot help you much. So good data is very important.
Yes, yeah. For example, I researched a lot of AI models on fashion from the competition, and for example, They are trying to use data sets of women, because there are plenty of data sets of images of women wearing clothes, to dress up their male the male bodies of the user. So of course that is not going to work very well. The same for kids. So the data, having good data, is the key when we're talking about AI agents.
Yes, sounds good. So now last question. So let's say today is your birthday, and then Jining asks you, like, give you one wish. Like, if you can get any AI agent in the world for your daily life, what would be that one AI agent you want?
The one that can get me a personal one-to-one meeting with Microsoft CEO. I don't know if that exists or it's all in my dreams, but that would be my wish.
That's a very interesting wish. It's like wishing like Jining for something like amplifying. But no, that's definitely a good one. And but thank you so much like for joining us, and we'll continue the conversation afterward. And but everyone, thanks for joining us. And if you're interested in what S is doing, and then also the fashion things, check out the description, and then you can learn more. And then we'll see you at the other episode. Okay, bye bye.
And viva la libertad, carajo. Bye bye.